Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin now. Make sure battery is above about 5% and the screen is unlocked so the phone will accept input. Press and hold the power or side button for about 2-4 seconds. Hold until you see the power menu. While holding, keep a steady grip. Avoid accidental volume inputs. Once the power menu appears, do not tap other shortcuts. You want the primary options visible. This initial press triggers the system's shutdown sequence and prevents accidental reboots or emergency actions. Once the menu is visible, you tap Power Off. This sends the shutdown command to Android system server. If a confirmation dialog appears, choose Power Off again or swipe as instructed. Some models require a second tap or a long press to avoid accidental shutdowns. Make sure not to select Restart or Emergency Call. If your device uses gesture controls, follow the on-screen motion precisely. This step gracefully stops background services and flushes storage caches, which prevents data corruption during power down. After confirming, the screen will go black. Wait 10-30 seconds to ensure the hardware fully powers down and capacitors discharge. If the phone freezes and the menu won't respond, force it off by holding power for 10-20 seconds until the display cuts out. If that fails, remove an accessible battery or let the battery drain to 0, then recharge and try again. If problems persist, seek professional service. This ensures you complete shutdown safely and recover from unresponsive states.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.